Windshields are your vehicle's most important safety restraint, designed to protect drivers and passengers. What if you could protect your windshield with the same technology used by government, airport, and law enforcement agencies? Now, you can protect your windshield with a technology that will dramatically increase the strength, visibility, and safety of your glass, just by applying C-Bond. Developed at Rice University, a world leader in nanotechnology science, C-Bond's patented technology seeks out and covalently bonds to the microscopic defects, repairing your glass surface. Introducing C-Bond NanoShield, the highest rated windshield protection and proven to significantly increase glass impact resistance, preventing expensive windshield damage from road debris. NanoShield is also designed to enhance drivers' visibility and safety, preventing obstructed and dangerous driving in wet weather conditions. Now, you too can have the peace of mind knowing your windshield is protected with the same glass technology used at the highest security facilities in the world. When it comes to automotive glass and windshield safety, there is no substitute for C-Bond. Be sure to ask for C-Bond when protecting your vehicle.